Today, we're going to show you how to use a folding knife equipped with a frame lock. The frame lock uses a portion of the handle scale that is slightly inward to lock the blade after opening. This knife also comes with a ball-bearing pivot system that enables smooth and easy blade opening. Additionally, this knife comes equipped with a flipper and thumb studs, providing 2 ways of deploying the blade. To deploy the blade with the flipper, make sure none of your fingers are resting near the blade. Use your index finger to pull back the flipper and the blade will deploy. To deploy the blade with the thumb stud, apply pressure and follow the blade out in a circular motion. Once you hear the clicking sound, it means the blade is locked and ready to use. To close the blade, if you are holding the handle with the right hand, push the frame lock towards the left, so the blade tang disengages from the frame lock position, and fold the blade back into the closing position. With some practice, you'll be able to open and close the blade with one hand. But remember, safety first. That's it for now. We'll be back in the Master Cutlery demo room with more helpful tips real soon.